Welcome to the video that introduces the PPDAC cycle and purpose. The PPDAC cycle is called the Statistical Inquiry Cycle. It follows through the process of purpose, plan, data, analysis, and conclusion. Every statistical report that you will write will follow this cycle. This video is the first of three which looks at the purpose. It is looking at the context, and there'll be two others, one for the investigative question and one for the expectation. The context looks at three questions. What are you investigating? Why are you investigating it? And who would be interested? So let's have a look. The purpose must always be connected to context. Whatever you're investigating, you must always have research and context behind why. The contextual hook looks at what you're investigating, why you are investigating it, and who would be interested in your investigation. These questions must be answered in full and with supported research. So let's look at the numerical variable of age. And we're going to compare the age of people who own a cell phone and people who don't own a cell phone. The inference topic specifically looks at the comparison of two groups. So we are comparing the age of these groups of whether a person owns a cell phone or does not own a cell phone. So we need to say what are we investigating, why we are investigating it, and who would be interested in this investigation of the age between who owns a cell phone and who does not own a cell phone. I've done an example here, and if we have a look, we can see, I'll just hide this, we will see that I have gone through and done research and given a contextual hook as to potentially why this research has been done. So I've focused specifically on social media and the age in which parents allow these children to have a cell phone. I've specifically said that I will be comparing the age of people who do own a cell phone with the age of people who do not own a cell phone to see if parents are providing their children with cell phones at an early age or if they are waiting until they are mature enough and are using other technology options in the meantime. I've gone on to say that technology developers are the people who will be interested in this investigation as they are the primary developers of apps and technology that children will have access to. You notice that I've also put in the references as in-text citations, which means I'll have a bibliography at the end. This is the context part of the purpose. Our next video will look at the question and the following one as our expectation. At the very end, I'll show you what it all looks like put together.